Now that you have your project started, there are two different ways that you can add a place mark to your Google Earth project. So the first one is once you are in Google Earth, on the lower left-hand side, you're going to see this option right here. When I hover over, you can see it says Add Place Mark. When I click on that, it's going to give me some crosshairs. So I'm in the area of Philadelphia. I'm going to select it. You can see it says Place Title. So I'm going to say Philadelphia. And then what you can do is just add to project. In the previous video, we started our project, or we've opened one that we've already created. So I'm just going to select out of mine. I'm just going to use the same one, and I'm going to use the test one. And then I can simply hit save. In another video, we'll talk about how to add some things to those place marks. But for this, the point of this one, we just want to simply be able to add a place mark. The other option where we can add a place mark is going to the search feature. So I'm just going to search. I want to dig a little deeper into Philadelphia. So I'm going to say Liberty Bell. And you can see as I'm going and typing in, once I hit search, it's going to zoom in for me. What I can do now is instead of going over here to the lower left-hand corner and adding the place mark, I'm simply going to click on Add to Project. You can see the place title is already in for me. Project is the same. I'm going to hit save. And now there it is. You can see my place mark. Here's the first one, Philadelphia. Here's the second one, Liberty Bell. Doesn't matter if I use the add place mark or the search, but because I've attached it to this test project, you are going to see all of the place marks that you add. You're going to kind of see them start to list themselves on the left-hand side there. So those are the two different ways to add a place mark. And in some of the upcoming video, make sure to see how you can edit some of the information and add some things to those specific place marks.